Hello there, so this is a quick tutorial on how to log into Google Classroom using an iPad, a tablet, or even a smartphone. Now, if you haven't downloaded the app yet, then I would suggest for you to download the Google Classroom app, since you're going to be using it in order to log into your child's account. Okay, so I'm going to be using an iPad first, and then from there I will be using a tablet as well, so to guide you on both of them. I won't be able to use a phone, but it's the same process, the same steps that you're gonna be taking as either an iPad or a tablet. So let's begin now. In order to access your child's classroom, then you're gonna have to click on, like I said, download the app because you're gonna be using it. You're gonna be clicking on the Google app, the Google Classroom app. You're clicking on this one. You will, if you already have, let's say, an account, not a Google Classroom per se account, but if you have in your Gmail account, then it will probably pop up. But let's say that you want to add another account. To add another account, in an iPad, you're gonna have to click on the letter, which is this one right here, the circle, and you're gonna get this window here. Once you see this the square, it says add another account. You're gonna be clicking on that one, and then it's gonna take you to this window right here. Now let's see on the tablet. The tablet as well, you're gonna have to be downloading the app. Click on the Google Classroom app. If you already, as I mentioned before, have an account associated with your Google account, any Gmail that you already have, it's gonna pop up. But let's say that you want to add your child's account. And to add your child's account, you're gonna have to click on the three lines right here. This is gonna pop up, and you're gonna have to click on the arrow right here. You're gonna see any accounts that you already have. If you wanna add a new one, click on add another account. The same thing as over here in the iPad. Same thing is gonna happen on your tablet. And there you go, the same box is gonna be shown either on the iPad or the tablet. Type in the email that your teacher provided you for your child. I'm gonna be using my son's email account, in order to provide you with the assistance that you require. So once you have, let's say, the email address of your child, you already typed it in, click on next, and this is the iPad. Same thing with the tablet, click on next. It's gonna take you, in the tablet, it's gonna take you to this page. You just click accept. On the iPad, it doesn't, but it takes you to this other page. You're gonna have to type in your child's email address again. Same thing with the tablet. It's asking you for the email address again, so you type it in twice. Now that you have typed in your child's email address, either in the iPad or the tablet, click on next. And now it's gonna ask you for the password. This is the iPad, and that's the tablet. Type in the password. Type it in exactly as the password that your teacher provided, because since it's case sensitive, it won't get it if you don't type it in correctly. Okay, so there we go. I typed the password. Click on sign in, and checking for the information in the tablet. There you go. You're logged in to your child's classroom. Now this is the iPad. Let's click sign in. There you go. Same thing. This is the iPad, and that's your child's classroom. Now if you want to verify that is your child, just click on the iPad, click on the circle over here, and you will see the name of the email of your child's email address. So that means that you're connected, you're already logged in. And these are the classrooms. Just click on the classroom that your child is registered in and you're in. That's the iPad. Now let's go to the tablet. This is the boxes are different, but it's the same thing. You can see in the iPad and the tablet that the classes are there. In the tablet, for you to see if it's your child's classroom, just click over here. You clicked on the circle, but on this one you're gonna have to click on the three lines on your upper right left corner, and there it is. There's your child's account right there, and you will see it right there. If you want to switch from one account to another in a tablet, just click on the arrow. As I was saying, if you want to switch from one account to another, let's say you have 2 children or 3 children that are using Google Classroom and you want to switch from one account to another, just click in. This is the tablet. Click on the 3 lines, the arrow right there, and you will see all the accounts associated with Google Classroom. Click on the account that you want to switch to, and you're gonna be able to see your other child's account. Now if you want to go back to your child's your 3-year-old or 4-year-old account, just click on the arrow again, look for your child's account, and it will take you back to his or her account. Now you don't have to be logging in or out in the tablet or the iPad. Now for the iPad, it's the same thing, but instead of clicking on these 3 lines, which is for the tablet, on the iPad you're just gonna have to click on the letter right here. You see the other accounts. Click on one of the accounts, it will take you to that account. If you want to go back to the same account, click on the circle and look for the account you want to access, and it will take you back to the same account that you were before. And as I mentioned, either in the iPad or the tablet or your smartphone, you don't have to be logging in or out. You just, as long as you switch from one account to another, that's fine. And that's about it. Simple as that. If you have any other questions, just let us know.